Hey guys, it's Andrea with Sucs For You, and back in March, I believe, I had propagated these Myrtillocactus, the geometrizans, the Booby cactus, Fukurokuryuzinboku. Um, this was the top, and then there was other portions to it. This one right here, that's all new growth. These three I chopped, that's all new growth. This is 6 months of progress. And they're looking good, they're looking good. And then I have 3 more topped pieces that are in another pot, and we'll check and make sure that those put roots down too. But for now, just trying to keep these new guys in great condition before removing them and rooting them. So that's what we have so far. We started with like one big piece and then chopped it up, and 6 months later we have 1, 2, 3, 4 brand new cacti, and then the other parts that are rooted and ready to chop again if we would like. And then these 3 right here, they're rooted. You can tell they're not letting me pull it up very far. They're all in there. So that's it. That's the update. 6 months Booby cactus. Thanks for watching.